Whāngai te Māori o te tinana. Whāngai te Māori o te wairua. Whāngai te mana o te whānau. Whāngai te hau o te hinenga.
Welcome to
Waiora is a kaupapa Māori pregnancy and parenting program for hapū māmā, māmā with pēpi and their whānau. We come together, we share our stories and our whānau knowledge, and we weave it all together to create Waiora within our whānau, for our pēpi and our tamariki.
It's about learning knowledge, best practice, about other people's experiences.
They taught me so much that I didn't know from my first to pregnancy. They had no support or no help other than Tonka.
Because it's my first pēpi, I'm really hungry to learn about pregnancy, parenting and birthing through a Te Ao Māori perspective.
Being able to bond with or soon-to-be mums, which is really special. So it's like weaving ourselves.
I come into the space as queen and bring my grandmother experience with me to be able to share and to be able to let our wahine know that we have the power to influence intergenerations by nurturing our young ones so that they can become the future leaders of our tomorrow.
I was lucky enough at the time to be there for the birth. That was pretty scary because I didn't know what was going on. Very, very new to me. If I had had something like Waiora to come to and just to even to get some advice, it would have been great, but we got through it.
I have learned a lot about myself as a mum and as a woman.
It teaches me things about my own wife and other women.
My mum's not here, my wider whānau aren't here, so I want to learn from a new whānau.
Coming to here and hearing lots of mums talk about their positive experiences, just getting more information about traditional Māori practices too has really helped because it's just not out there. And it's only actually since coming here that I found out about the whenua and using the moka and stuff like that, which is definitely something that we're going to take into our labour, and it makes me a bit more kind of prepared going into it.
We're all working towards the same thing, which is making sure our pēpi is healthy and all good.
We're all going through the same journey and we're all actually doing pretty well. So
I've learnt so much in the Waiora Wānanga, particularly the true power of mana wahine and the beauty of childbirth.
It's such a special experience and you've got such beautiful people leading. It's a really beautiful way to receive the knowledge.
You're surrounded by so much knowledge and wisdom, just aroha as well, and yeah, definitely come.
Nurture the essence of the physical state. Nurture the essence of the spiritual state. Nurture the value of the family unit. Nurture the breadth of knowledge at hand.